Hi, I'm Yaron, Iguazio CTO, and I'm going to demonstrate how we build complex real-time machine learning pipelines, develop them in SageMaker, and deploy them on a remote Kubernetes cluster with MLrun and Nucleo. So the first thing I need to do is install a bunch of packages. Then I'm pointing it to an Iguazio cluster that sits on another location. This is just the URL. I need to also specify some credentials. I won't show them here. And now I'm just writing a bunch of functions or classes that are going to be used in my real-time pipeline. So for example, loading some models and so on. When I'm going to do that, I'm going to build a pipeline that comprises of data preparation, model serving with advanced graph and advanced pipeline. In order to do that, I just need to take my code, convert it into a microservice function definition, which is sort of a serverless function definition, then tie the different steps in the pipeline. So I have a pipeline that starts with data gathering and enrichment, pre-processing of the data, bringing it to an ensemble and serving multiple models together and choosing the best results or the combined results, and finally serving or post-processing the data. This is done through very simple graph chaining technology. I can also define exception handlings and own error states and a bunch of other very advanced computation methods, all in sort of 10 lines of code. Once I've done that, I want to test my results. I can take my pipeline, take some sample data using the Iris dataset. I'm creating a simulator. We call it mock server, and I'm just driving it with events and seeing the results. So you see, I can just go run this. I see the results back in my system and go and iterate and develop the perfect model or the perfect real-time pipeline. Once I'm ready, I'm just using a single line. I'm just saying deploy, and this is building a microservices on the remote cluster. Remote cluster could be Kubernetes, could be EKS, could be over Outpost, Amazon Outpost in an on-premises location, anywhere you want on the edge. And this is a fully automated orchestration. So it's building containers, it's deploying Kubernetes resources, API gateways, storage, security. All of that is done fully automated, and I'm getting back an endpoint that I'm going to use in order to test this thing in production. So, I can just go and test and see the results back in my notebook. So what we've seen is building a full real-time pipeline with multiple steps of data preparation and post-processing and ensembles, and again, could be very complicated, and doing all of that within few lines of code from SageMaker, deploying it anywhere you want. Visit our website to learn more about Iguazio, MLrun, and the tight integration with Amazon.